Best of luck Savage TV. If you liked the video, thumbs up, comment, subscribe.
Subscribe to our channel.
So do this. Subscribe over here.
Subscribe over here. I don't know why people keep doing this.
Yeah, because I will
it
be
gets
putting
so
the
annoying.
subscribe
video
button below,
ends
na?
and then people start doing this.
Okay. What do you understand by live-in relationships?
Pay your bills together, lots of eating.
Two guys who want to stay together and like boyfriend girlfriend. So according to me, the person I love, I will stay with him.
लड़की के पीछे चूतिया
Freedom for a guy or girl to not be legally on paper but staying together. Yeah.
According to my definition, it means living under a roof, being in a relationship, sharing finances.
दो प्रेमी मतलब लड़का और लड़की एक साथ एक कमरे में रह सकते हैं अपने अपने मर्जी के हिसाब से। यही होता है लिव इन रिलेशनशिप।
लिव इन रिलेशनशिप अभी तो ये ट्रेंड जो है ये ज़्यादा ही चल रहा है।
How do you think a live-in relationship is different from marriage?
In a live-in relationship, you don't know if the guy's gonna leave you. Like, according to Indian ethics and morals, you're not supposed to get a divorce and everything. But then people do get divorced. So I don't think there's much difference.
शादी बस रजिस्ट्री हो गई है, शादी मतलब लिव इन रिलेशनशिप मतलब इलीगल चल रहा है थोड़ा।
Well, a marriage is legal and a live-in relationship is pretty insecure that way because you don't really have a law that binds you together.
Correct.
So I think that would be the basic difference. You don't have commitment.
You're not in a legal relationship, rather. There is no concept of divorce in a live-in relationship. You can get separated if you're not interested.
Live-in relationship, you have your own space. If you don't understand, or probably you're not okay with something, you upfront it, and then you can always walk away with that.
Like there is no family involved.
Exactly. And marriage comes with a lot of bindings, I would say.
Okay.
Family is one of them.
मेरी एक्स है, हम लोग 5 साल लिव इन रिलेशनशिप में रहे। मेरी किसी और से शादी हो गई। उसके बाद अचानक से वो लड़की आ गई मेरे लाइफ में।
अच्छा।
धूम मचा के रख दी, तो मैं क्या करूँ? ये इसके कॉम्प्लिकेशन होते हैं और 90% लिव इन रिलेशनशिप फेल है।
You know what we say, hypocrites. You get to know that.
Okay.
Hypocrisy is something which you don't come to know until and unless you don't marry that person.
In a marriage, the government is involved in your personal life.
And the family as well.
Yeah, and the family as well. And in a live-in relationship, you don't have any of that.
There's a lot of responsibilities are there.
Okay.
Which we
बच्चा फिर पैदा करना पड़ता है।
of course that वो तो है ही. But yes, other than that, मुझे लगता है it's all the same.
Now it's become more of a trend that people want to stay together and see if they are compatible, they can live their whole lives together. So now it's more of a liberal kind, and even the Indian society is accepting it.
Okay. They are accepting it because the next question I was going to ask you is why is like Indian society so much against it? Like majority of it. Why do you think? What is the ideology behind this?
It's not something that's in our culture really to be in a live-in relationship. But then who decides the culture? Like we can decide a new culture right away, right now, right here, and be like, this is our culture. If you want to follow it, you can.
It's not just about live-in relationships. It's about any kind of change, say homosexuality,
Okay.
live-in relationships. Any kind of change is always going to invite resistance.
It takes time.
Yeah.
It takes time.
It takes time. People need to evolve.
Maybe because of arranged marriages, I would say.
So they are fine with getting their daughter married to someone, some random guy, and they are against,
Mostly people relate live-in with sex, so that is the issue, I would say.
Yeah, sex is the issue over here.
Yes, exactly, I would say.
They're basically hypocrites. They need to, develop their thinking. People are there who are actually developing, but I don't know. I mean,
Because it is India.
मेरी सोच के हिसाब से इथिकली रॉन्ग है, पर हर लोग कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। जिसको एक्सेप्ट करना है करो, जिसको नहीं करना है मत करो।
आपको क्यों लगता है ऐसे कि मतलब इंडियन सोसाइटी में
क्योंकि ये हमारा कल्चर इस चीज़ की इजाज़त नहीं देता, एंड वी शुड बी प्राउड ऑफ आवर कल्चर।
ओके।
ये कभी हुआ नहीं करता था, अभी पता नहीं नई चीज़ होने लग गई।
If a couple is very serious, and if they know, if the family knows, and if they're bound to get married one day, then why not? किसी को ठीक लगता है, किसी को नहीं ठीक लगता है. For me, it's okay. मुझे ऐसा कुछ है नहीं.
Stereotypical thought of the people, like they can't see guys and girls staying together before marriage.
Okay, so it's like cultural related.
Yeah, culture related.
In our culture, there was a concept of Gandharv Vivah, wherein you had sex and that means you were together.
Because that's what we've been taught for years. Like it's very simple. It's a basic thing with like earlier girls were not allowed to wear whatever they want to wear, but now we progressed to where a girl can at least put on a basic pair of denims.
Getting developed,
yeah. So we are moving towards progress. But I think there should be some culture, some social responsibility, some amount of restriction, but not to a level where you make any gender uncomfortable.
क्योंकि अभी भी सारे पेरेंट्स जो है ना वो ट्रेडिशनली चल रहे हैं.
I mean, according to our generations who are like 2000 to like 21st century, I think they are accepting this. But if you ask my mom or you know the earlier generations, I don't think so. They are still in that thought of accepting or doing like you know like chalo theek hai apne bacche kar rahe kind of that.
Let's assume that you're going into a live-in relationship.
Okay.
You're going to your parents and you're going to say, Papa, me challo a live-in relationship la. What will your father say?
He would probably say, what does that mean? Define it.
Okay.
What are the...
And you've defined him. What is live-in relationship?
He wouldn't be very pleased, but
He'll allow you.
I think so.
Okay, he's chilled out, man.
They'll boycott me from the family. If I'm too sure about him, maybe my parents would be cool.
That's very nice. Your parents are quite cool.
Actually, I'd love to be in a live-in relationship because it's very important to live with the person before you actually get married to the person.
Okay.
They wouldn't have a problem with it.
All chilled out.
Yeah, they'll
That's
be
amazing.
Like, yeah, they'll. I don't think they'll have a problem. They'll just tell me to make sure that if I am living with somebody, then at some point I need to be socially accepted because we still live in a society where
course.
it's not really a cool thing to do. And
Shout out
also
to our
about-
parents.
Yeah, woo.
I've also asked my mom one time. I told her that I don't want to get married. I'm just gonna have a live-in with a guy. And she got really mad. So I know कि ऐसा कभी पूछना नहीं है parents.
So, what was the reaction? Can you just describe it?
No, she was just looking at me blankly. She was looking at me like questioning herself. ये मेरी बेटी है ना ऐसा. Yeah, because otherwise I have a good profile.
Of course, वो खुश नहीं होंगे. First
Okay.
of all, and you'll say if you really like that girl, go and get married. Of course.
Great.
Because उनके लिए है कि if you want to take that, if you want to go under these things,
हाँ.
take the responsibility, get married, and keep those things. मतलब करना ही तो give some name to it. Something.
Correct, yeah. So, if you want to do it, go YOLO. That's what your father would say.
Probably.
Do you have any friends who are into a live-in relationship?
I have.
How's it going for them?
They just drink all day and smoke weed. Just high all the time. They fight as usual. They live together as usual. Yeah, they fight a lot, but then they just common in married couples also. People have views and they fight.
कैसा चल रहा है उनका?
यार जिंदगी झंड है, कुछ नहीं है इधर, चूतिया पे है, कुछ नहीं है यार, और लिव इन
देखो अभी हम लोग सब साथ में हैं, वो कहीं और है.
That was a long ass video.
Yeah, sure it was. And you know the deal. If you like a video, give us a thumbs up, comment down below what you would like to see in the future, and share our video.
So if you're wondering if we are on Instagram or not, yes we are.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Even the little guy over here says so.
Savage TV, out.
So it's like only दो तो हाथ पकड़ लेते हैं. They want only one thing from girls. I don't think all guys want